Hello there, this is Mark from Safe and Sound in Leeds, just demonstrating the Autowatch Ghost, this time installed to a 2018 Range Rover Sport SVR. System's in, currently armed, so you can see now if I put my foot on the brake, go ahead and try and start the vehicle, dash lights come on, but the vehicle's not going anywhere, won't start, nothing's happening, clocks just go dead. So to start the vehicle in a normal operation, all you need to do, turn the ignition on, and enter your PIN number, which we've programmed as with all our videos, just a nice, easy, straightforward PIN number that does get changed after the video. And on this one, it's just 4 clicks of the gear up paddle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll then get a double flash of your indicators, like so. Foot on the brake, this time click start. Vehicle starts up and runs. Really good piece of kit this, prevent the theft by way of key cloning, key replicating, all this sort of stuff that's been covered on the media at the moment. But yeah, if you want to know more, feel free to get in touch. Details at the bottom of the screen, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.